28 minus 3 square roots of 54 plus 3 square roots of 24. I like to start with the smallest one, that being 24. And I notice that we can rewrite 24 as 4 times 6, 4 being a perfect square. So that means I can have 3 square root of 4 square root of 6. So it's going to be 3 times 2, or 6 square roots of 6. Now that gives me a clue of what I can do with the rest by looking for a 6 as a factor of each one of these. So let's see what we can find. So let's start with this one, 3. This is 9 times 6. So it's going to be 3 square root of 9 square root of 6. That would be negative 3, and 3 square root of 6, which is negative 9 square roots of 6. Let's look at 128. So if I look, is that going to be 6 times something? In the end,